If you're trying to log into your Hostinger HPanel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to access your Hostinger dashboard quickly and easily so you can manage your websites, domains, emails, and hosting settings without any confusion. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Hostinger, it helps to know exactly where to click and what to enter. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and web hosting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Hostinger website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can log in safely and avoid any fake pages. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually at the top right area of the page. Click that button to move to the sign-in screen. On the login page, you'll need to enter the email address and password that are connected to your Hostinger account. Take a moment to type everything carefully because a small typo can stop you from getting in. After that, click Log In to continue. If your details are correct, Hostinger will verify your account and then redirect you automatically to HPanel, which is your main dashboard. This is where you can control your hosting account, open your website files, manage domains, adjust settings, and handle all the important tools in one place. If you don't land on the dashboard right away, just wait a moment and let the page finish loading. In some cases, Hostinger may ask you to confirm your identity or complete an extra security step, depending on your account settings. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions and then continue. Once you're inside HPanel, you're officially logged in and ready to manage your hosting account. From here, you can start working on your website, update your services, or access whatever tool you need. That's all there is to it. Logging in to Hostinger HPanel only takes a few seconds once you know the steps. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.